Alright, we're going to do some voice command stuff, or what was formerly called voice command stuff, on the DriveSmart 66. Hey, you can see my reflection a little bit. How you doing? Okay, a primer. Now, the main commands that you can use with voice on this are where, take me, start, find, what, and stop. This will make sense as I go through this. I'll start. Okay, Garmin. Where's the library?
Which result would you like?
Back. Okay, that's one example. If I switch that up with take. Okay, Garmin. Take me to the library.
Which result would you like?
Back. Same thing. So whether you do a where's the whatever, or take me to the whatever, that'll work. You can also use that for named favorites. So if you say take me to, and then the name of your favorite, should do it. You can also do take me to address. Now you'll notice that on the map there you see Cotton Gin Road, so I will try that one. Okay, Garmin. Take me to Cotton Gin Road.
Go into Cotton Gin Road, Frisco, Texas.
Right. Back. So that is an immediate start there. It will do that. Now you can also use, when you use a take me, you can just have it as, I'm just looking at my notes here. Oh, we'll do, if you say start a route to, and then you can, I believe that's the same as take me to. I'll try that. Okay, Garmin. Start a route to Kroger.
Which result would you like?
Back. Okay, so more or less the same thing there. Now, in order to do like a category search, you use find. And if you want to add to that, you can say find something near city. We'll do the first one. Okay, Garmin. Find Kroger.
Which result would you like?
Back. We'll try it by category this time. Okay, Garmin. Find grocery store.
Which result would you like?
Back. So what that did there in that list is that was a list of grocery stores. I'll do another one. Okay, Garmin. Find gas station.
Which result would you like?
Back. Now we'll try that with a city involved, in which we do find something near city. Okay, Garmin. Find gas station near Little Elm.
Which result, near Little Elm, Texas, would you like?
Back. So what that did is that it found gas stations in the city of Little Elm, Texas. And the last one I will do, oh yeah, I'll just start one here. I'll do that manually. Pick something with some distance to it.
Turn left on North Library Street, then take the third right.
Okay, Garmin. What time will we arrive?
You should arrive at 11:57 p.m.
Okay, Garmin. Stop. Ooh, it didn't. Okay. Okay, Garmin. Stop the route.
Okay, route cancelled.
Oh, okay. So I had to say stop the route. I probably could have also said cancel the route. So yeah, this is different from the older voice command. I'm going to mute the microphone. Okay, now which you do by holding the button on top for 2 seconds. And you just give it a single press to re-enable it. There you go, a basic OK Garmin voice tutorial.